Hi, I'm Bill Plank. I'm here with Ziamatic Corporation at booth 1523. Let's start showing you some of the stuff we have here to show. I'll start with our oxygen bottle mounts. We have strapped and strapless versions of our mounts. It's easy as pushing in to release. Have D and E cylinder solutions for you guys. Right here we have our oxygen cylinder mounts. This is our new quick release QRMV2. Has a gate that is built into the bracket. You won't lose any pieces with that. And then our new J-hook design strap. No need to take your buckle back off the strap to unmount. And strapping back down is as easy as getting that buckle into the J-hook, pulling tight. Next to show you guys are going to be our 5-pound fire extinguisher mounts. These will fit virtually any of the 5-pound fire extinguishers on the market. Easy to grab, but you don't have to worry about your extinguisher flying all over the place. I'm bringing you guys over to our cylinder slide here. This is a slide out, fold down. Much easier to slide your cylinders in and out from under the bench. We have a latch right here. When you're slid all the way in, you're locked. To unlatch, just pull that up, slide out on your own. Save all those backs from getting hurt. And lastly, we have our new Sure Grip line of tool mounts. Mounting tools inside your compartments, inside the crew cab. Those are more of a universal design. Be able to mount virtually any tools you have, again, inside the compartment or in your crew cab. If you like anything that you see today, you reach out to us at 1-800-711-3473 or email us at sales@ziamatic.com.